My name is Syed Ahmed and I'm working as a supervisor for quality control and R&D. I'm also responsible for the analytical services as well. That includes ion chromatography and C3 testing. Ion chromatography is a technique that is used to separate ions and polar molecules according to their charge. The test is used to identify and quantify the ionic contaminations such as fluorides, chlorides, bromides, nitrite, nitrates, sulfates, and many more. Ion chromatography testing is used for the customers majority for their process qualification or the failure analysis if they have some of the ions that are in excess during their process of the manufacturing. We use the IPC standards and their method, which is the IPC 650TM method 2.3.28. Our application technology engineers, they give the detailed report and the possible recommendation during their process qualification if they have any problem. So how clean is your clean? If not, please contact Zestron engineers today to learn more about the cleaning.